Bruce, your 21st year. From your first steps to the man you've become, you brought so much joy to everyone. Your father, Iotebwa, your mother, Ereta, smile with pride, there's nothing greater. Surrounded by love from your family side, on this day we be with island pride. Happy birthday, Bruce, you're shining bright, guided by love, faith, and light. May God bless you in all you do. We thank the Lord for protecting you. Temauri, raoi, tabomoa. This is your time, I-Kiribati and raoi. You've grown with strength, heart and grace, a blessing to us no one can replace. From Kiribati to wherever you roam, you carry your roots, your heart, your home. Your laughter and kindness light up the day. We're proud of you more than words can say. May your dreams rise like the ocean tide, with your family and faith by your side. Happy birthday, Bruce, you're shining bright, guided by love, faith, and light. May God bless you in all you do. We thank the Lord for protecting you. Temauri, raoi, tabomoa. This is your time, I-Kiribati and raoi. Let this be the start of all that's new. The world is brighter because of you. May joy and wisdom fill your years with strength and hope.